The care we followed in the preparation process must continue, because the way the dish is served and presented also needs food safety practices. Are you ready to start? Here are tips you must think about before the service starts. The tables and dishes must always be clean and in good condition. On your buffet, always put the silverware in a clean container and with good presentation. Make sure that decorations do not fall on food or drinks, for example, flowers or wax candles. And never forget to remind your colleagues or employees to keep up their good personal hygiene. Do not put too much food on the buffet. It is safer to keep refilling the food when it is needed. Never put raw food next to baked food. Protect the buffet as much as you can. This stops the contamination of the food and drinks. Place different cutlery for each dish served at the buffet. This stops contamination that happens from using the same picker or utensils for different foods. Check and record the temperature of your buffet every 2 hours. Make sure that the hot dishes are served at the right temperature, at least 60 degrees Celsius. Provide hot dishes and bowls to prevent food from quickly cooling. You can do this by putting the dishes over a pan of boiling water in the oven or on the plate which has some type of heating. Never offer hot food at room temperature. The temperature must always be kept at 60 degrees Celsius. The equipment used for serving hot food must be adjusted to a higher temperature. For example, between 80 degrees Celsius and 90 degrees Celsius, so that the temperature of the prepared dish stays at least 60 degrees Celsius. Make sure that cold dishes are served at the right temperature. For example, 10 degrees Celsius or less. Here are some other points that must be remembered when serving cold dishes. Do not serve cold dishes on tables that can warm the dish. During summer, it is good to serve cold dishes with a cold crushed ice layer to help keep the temperature. Cold food must not be displayed on the buffet at temperatures higher than 21 degrees Celsius for more than 2 hours. After that time, food must be thrown away. Cold preparations such as raw meat or fish can only be exposed for up to 2 hours at a temperature of 5 degrees Celsius or less.